Welcome to ARC Resources video series for safety awareness. ARC is committed to a safe and injury-free workplace. To achieve this goal, we need each ARC employee and contractor committed to safety at all times. These videos summarize the health and safety behaviors expected on ARC worksites. Airborne silica dust is a common hazard in the oil and gas industry. Silica is a basic component of common construction materials and the primary ingredient in hydraulic fracturing sand. Large amounts of silica sand are used daily in hydraulic fracturing operations. Crystalline silica is found in common construction materials like cement and asphalt. ARC works with contractors to protect workers from exposure to silica dust. A key part of that protection involves you. We want you to know the health risks of working near crystalline silica. Small silica dust particles can be inhaled into your lungs and cause respiratory health issues. This can include silicosis, bronchitis, emphysema, heart problems, and lung cancer. All of these conditions are irreversible, progressive, and possibly fatal. On ARC worksites, the majority of airborne silica dust has blown off bulkers or conveyor belts bound for sand storage bins. We can control silica exposure by wetting material or coating the sand. Using sand enclosures and vacuum air units can help. A hurricane dust control system may also be used. On our sites, it is the contractor's responsibility to develop and implement a control plan for silica dust exposure. This plan should include hazard and risk identification, engineering controls, requirements for personal protective equipment known as PPE, procedures for emergency first aid, and spill and disposal. In addition, a material safety data sheet must be available. This information is known as an MSDS. At ARC, we want to ensure that all at-risk personnel receive proper training for handling and safety procedures. Suitable signs and warnings must also be posted on site. To ensure safety in a high-risk zone, you must be aware of potential exposure risks and know how to minimize those risks. First, familiarize yourself with the dust control plan. Next, find out the occupational exposure limit for silica dust in your jurisdiction. Make sure to take the proper safety training. Now, this will cover dust control measures and the proper use of personal protective equipment. Finally, always wear the proper PPE as defined in the plan. This may include respiratory protection. These safety protocols also apply to short service and temporary workers, such as sand haulers. By combining sound employer controls with worker knowledge and responsibility, we can all create a safe, healthy, and respectful workplace. Working with ARC Resources means working safely.